In this video guide, I will show with you step by step how to log in HSBC online banking. If you want to log in, guys, go to Google and search for HSBC and then go to the official website. You will see this official website. After that, look for login option from here. All you have to do, go to HSBC security. From here, enter your username. So guys, provide your username. For example, this is my username. After that, click remember me. All you have to do, click continue. So guys, this is for username. If you forget username, just click forget my username and then choose your all required files to recover your username, such your security number and PIN and HSBC card number. You should be enter your 16 number digit for your card and then click continue. If you want to log in through your app, you can download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So guys, I hope this guide is helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Just fill this all information here and click continue, and thanks for watching this step to get your username again.